Today we are going to solve how to add overlay in CapCut PC. I'll guide you through every step, so let's get to it. First, on your computer, you're going to find this CapCut icon, click on it, and it's going to open this pop-up. From here, you need to click on Create Project. Once you're inside this CapCut project, you need to import something that we can put on our timeline. So I'm going to click on this Import button, which is going to give us this pop-up again, where I can select a media file. I'm just going to insert a GIF that I downloaded off from Giphy, and then click on this blue button, which is going to add this GIF to our track, timeline track. Let's click on it. It's going to add it here. Now we have one video file which is inserted in the timeline. Now how to add an overlay on top of it? Let's say I have another video file which I will import, and then I click on the add to track again. Now if you hover over here, because this is a very big timeline, so I'm just going to hover like this, it's going to have this code type icon. Just click it and drag it like this. Scroll your middle mouse button up and control to zoom in and out. So now we're going to click this and move it up over here. It's going to add another track here. So this is a track 1 and this is track 2. Now we have added one overlay on top of our original video file. If I click on play, it's going to first play our overlay and then our video file like this. Now maybe you want to add another overlay on top of it. Just import another one and add to track, and then just drag it up like this again. And to cut it, you need to do Ctrl+B, or you can click on this button right here. You can just click on Ctrl+B from here. And now you can click on it and resize by scaling it down like this and put it anywhere you want, like on the top, on the corners, something. I'm just going to delete it, or you can put it on top of the first one as well, like this. It's going to create another track, which is the third track. It's going to delete it, and let's say you want to add this as a picture-in-picture, like on the corner. You want to have your face cam like on the corner, like here. Just scale it down and put it over here, and I can move it like this. Now if I play it, it's going to act like this is going to feel like a tutorial where you have your face cam on the corner and you have a video playing in the background and you're explaining something. Did this help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.